A blinking blue power light on your Spectrum modem indicates it's initializing, updating, or encountering an issue. Short blinks every 1 to 2 seconds during startup, typically 2 to 5 minutes, are normal as the modem connects to the network. Short blinks every 1 to 2 seconds during startup, typically 2 to 5 minutes, are normal as the modem connects to the network. Longer blinks, lasting 5 to 15 minutes, often signal a firmware update. Rapid blinking signifies a problem like power issues or a failed self-test. In 2025, Spectrum modems feature LED indicators and can be diagnosed via the My Spectrum app to help users self-diagnose. Understanding these patterns helps you quickly assess your modem's status and connection. The light serves as a bridge between hardware and user, reducing the need for technical jargon. If the blinking blue light persists, start by unplugging your modem for 30 to 60 seconds to reset it. Check all cable connections to ensure they're secure. Monitor other lights on the modem for additional clues, such as DSUS for downstream and upstream signals. If the problem continues, use the My Spectrum app for diagnostics. Many issues are now resolvable via app-guided troubleshooting. Remember, persistent blinking could indicate a hardware fault requiring a modem replacement under warranty. Since 2023, Spectrum has focused on user education, with trends towards smarter, more communicative devices and increasing reliance on cloud-based monitoring, reducing the need for physical checks.